Not everyone in the business of solar is, in fact, an expert on solar, a champion of solar, a company setting new standards in solar. No, not all solar is created equal. And we are on a mission to prove that. Introducing the SolarWorld Standard, the first proprietary solar quality system developed by the company known for setting the standard in this industry, SolarWorld. Our system of quality has been shown through over 35 years of solar manufacturing in America and proven by the fact that we have never had a single product recall in our history. Quality is ingrained in every step of our manufacturing process, starting with R&D. SolarWorld uses failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, for our design and materials selections processes. This allows us to identify potential failures based on our past experience to ensure that we don't include them in future designs. Our supplier selection process is equally stringent. Every component of our modules, from the glass to the frames to the laminates, must be developed and tested by SolarWorld to withstand heavy snow loads and high UV irradiation to ensure minimal energy losses in high heat, resulting in maximum energy yields. Very few suppliers meet our standards because the SolarWorld standard requires that all components meet at least 3 times IEC requirements. For instance, out of 80 backsheet and EVA products that we tested, only 8 were good enough to pass our standards. We trust no one else with the most important part of our solar modules, the cell, because over 35 years of experience goes into the development of this most critical component. We start with the high-purity crystalline silicon wafers and treat them to create positive and negative charges. Then, with advanced cell technology, we create cells with peak performance, which translates to high-performing modules. Once we produce the cells, we classify each one according to color and power level, ensuring the final module we produce delivers the power and performance we promise. Next, we string the cells together with highly automated equipment at 2016 soldering points. It's critical that the precise amount of pressure is applied at each point, which our equipment executes. The hand soldering technique used by many other manufacturers cannot achieve this level of precision and does not meet the SolarWorld standard. We use statistical process control to make sure we consistently produce the highest level of quality. SPC collects hard data from our equipment and product testing. Every second, we collect thousands of data points at our quality control gates and make any adjustments necessary to guarantee superior quality. The International Electrotechnical Commission, or the IEC, issues internationally valid standards for solar panels, followed by the solar industry throughout the world. The quality of SolarWorld modules exceeds IEC standards time and time again because we test our products over and over again, often repeating tests 3 to 6 times. Everything from hemispheric lights, which simulate varying light and temperature conditions, to hail impact is tested. We put our panels through 9,125 temperature cycles, going from negative 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius to ensure they can last at least 25 years. Compare that to the mere 200 cycles required by IEC. And finally, we work with leading laboratories and testing companies, PV Evolution's Laboratory and Black & Veatch, to provide third-party validation of our performance. No other solar manufacturing company in the U.S. is doing what we're doing for solar. The SolarWorld standard is setting the standard for the future of solar.